How to watch ESPN with a VPN. Step number 1, choose a reliable VPN service. Select a VPN provider with high-speed servers in the United States. Ensure the VPN is known for bypassing geo-restrictions and supports streaming. Step number 2, download and install the VPN. Install the VPN app on your device, such as smartphone, tablet, computer, or smart TV. Follow the installation instructions provided by your VPN service. Step number 3, connect to a US server. Open the VPN app and log in using your account credentials. Select a server located in the United States to obtain a US IP address. Step number 4, access ESPN. Visit the ESPN website or open the ESPN app on your device. Log in using your ESPN or ESPN Plus account credentials. Step number 5, watch content. Navigate to live events, shows, or ESPN Plus content and start streaming. Important notes: ensure your ESPN or ESPN Plus subscription is active and use the VPN responsibly and in accordance with ESPN's terms of service.